Michael Jackson, that you? Yeah, I'm gonna play this. What am I watching? Where are we supposed to go? What the fuck? I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm gonna be with the. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. That's not terrifying. That's not scary. That's not scary. I'm gonna be with this girl. Yeah, we're best friends now. We're best friends for end. Best friend for life. Best friend for life. Oh, wait. Like, we got light switch. The fuck you mean? What you mean the speeding quiz? Where are we going? Where are we going? She's leading us to the One Piece. She's going us to the One Piece. Where are we going? Lady, I'm not going. Like we both just screamed out. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared of nothing. Nope. Distract him. Let me solo her. What the fuck is this gonna do? Guys, don't worry. Let me solo him. Let me solo him. Let me solo him, guys. Take one minute. What do you mean I'm bleeding? What does that mean? What do you mean I'm bleeding? Yeah, that's right. That's right. Oh, that's like. Oh, this is like. I'm not going in there. Nah. Ooh, yeah, we survived. Distance. There's some bandages. Let me use these. I'm gonna end to that destroyed house. So let me in. I'll take another bandage, man. Close the door. Michael Jackson ain't coming after me. I know the moonwalk. Yo, what's there? Is a disco party in here? Close the door. Why did you break down the damn door? Bleeding red. What? No, let me use this. Yo, put the touches the damn light off. Oh! Don't! Turn the damn light off. Let's just take the fuck out of here. Take it. Oh my god. Boy, the jump scare the shit. Take the bandit. Good boy. Good boy. Look at him. If you people lead the monster to us. So. Yeah, Michael.